Replacing your Chevy key fob battery is easy. Most Chevy models like Silverado, Malibu, Equinox, and Tahoe use a CR2032 battery. First, locate the seam on the fob. Use a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to gently open the case. Avoid metal tools to prevent scratches. If your fob has clips, press the release buttons. Once open, you'll see the battery. Note its orientation. The positive plus side is usually facing up. This process applies to most Chevy fobs, but always check your vehicle's manual for model-specific details, especially for pre-2018 versus post-2018 designs. With the fob open, use your tool to carefully remove the old CR2032 battery. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive plus side facing up. Incorrect polarity can cause malfunctions. Ensure the battery is securely in place. Now snap the case back together, making sure it's a tight fit. Test the fob by pressing the buttons. If the buttons stick or it doesn't work, the circuit board might need cleaning or professional servicing. Recycle the old battery per EPA guidelines. Remember, annual battery checks are recommended, especially in cold climates. DIY saves you money, but for advanced features like remote start, consider professional reprogramming at a dealership if issues arise.